Are you ready to manifest more money into your life? Hello, this is Neha and I'm here to help. In this video, I'm just going to be talk about how you can manifest more money in your life and even how you can heal money blockages in your life with the Ho'oponopono prayer. So, first of all, let's understand what is the Ho'oponopono prayer, and after that, we will talk about what does it mean by and how you can use Ho'oponopono prayer to heal your money blockages. So, let's understand what does it mean by the Ho'oponopono prayer. So, Ho'oponopono prayer is a Hawaiian prayer and it contains four phrases, and those four phrases are I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So when we say I am sorry, it simply means that you are acknowledging that you have done something wrong to the money. I know we are going to be say no, I didn't do anything wrong to money. So why I'm just going to be say here? Why I'm just going to feel like that? But now because we don't understand, we don't remember that. And when we have done a lot of things in our life, but we don't have idea that we don't understand how we are just going to be do that. So you have to be acknowledged. If you remember, it will be better. But if you don't remember anything, that whatever you have done towards money, then you have to be acknowledged that you have done something wrong to the money. And that's why you have to be say sorry. And when you say I am sorry, you have to be say that I'm taking 101% responsibility for all my money situation. It will make you feel like you are just going to be accepting everything, whatever it's just going to be present moment, whatever is just going to be you have done to the money. So you have to be accept that. And next phrase when we say please forgive me, because we have already talked about that we have done something wrong to the money, and we are just going to be take the 101% responsibility here, and that's why we are saying please forgive me. Please forgive me for everything whatever I have done to you. It could be like I didn't take the proper action to grow you into my life. It could be like there are a lot of things that I used to be think okay I have to be do. There are a lot of actions that I have to be take, but I didn't. That's why I'm saying sorry. That's why I'm saying please forgive me. These are the reasons why I'm saying sorry, why I'm saying please forgive me. When you say please forgive me, feel that. Feel that one. Now, let's move on to the third phrase, and that is thank you. Suppose if someone has forgiven you, what kind of things, what kind of phrases you are just going to be said to somebody? You can say thank you. Thank you so much for forgiving me. When you say that, you are just going to be understand here. Your blockages is just going to be removed automatically. But you have to be say thank you. You have to be feel like your money has already forgiven you for everything, and that's why you are saying thank you so much. And now you are just going to be say I love you, and that is our fourth phrases we have to be used there, and we are just going to be say I love you because we have spread love here towards our money, because the love is the highest frequency in this whole universe, and we have to be feel love in our heart. It will help us to attract more abundance, to attract more money into our life, because love is the highest frequency. Love, kindness, compassionate, these are the highest frequency in the whole universe, and we have to be understand that. Now, let's move on that how we can use Ho'oponopono prayer. What are the ways we can use to heal our blockages that's going to be holding us back from achieving more money, from attracting more money into our life. So there are the two ways you can use there. First one, chanting Ho'oponopono prayer. When we talk about the chanting Ho'oponopono prayer, it simply means you have to be say these four phrases again and again over on loop. You can chant Ho'oponopono prayer for at least like the 15 or 20 minutes. Even you can chant Ho'oponopono prayer for 108 times. It depends on you how you are just going to be chanted. So you can say, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So you have to be chant these four phrases again and again over. Now, let's move on to the second one, and that is conversational Ho'oponopono prayer. When it comes to be conversational, it's just going to be you have to be talk to yourself. You are just going to be imagine that money is like a person. If you are just going to be imagine money like a person, it will be easy for you to understand how you can initiate a conversation with money. It could be like, I am sorry. You have to be imagine that you are talking to someone that is money, because money is a person, and now you are just going to be talk to him. You have to be say, I am sorry, and you have to be describe reasons behind that why you are saying sorry. A reason could be like, I didn't take enough actions towards you to grow you into my life. I didn't do whatever I must do so that you can be grow. I didn't help you to grow into my life. That's why I am sorry. You have to be say, please forgive me for all things that I didn't do to grow you. Please forgive me. Now you have to be say thank you so much. You have to be imagine yourself that the person you are talking with, that is money, and he already forgiven you, and that's why you are saying thank you so much. Thank you so much for forgiving me. Now you have to be say I love you. I really 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 love you. And you can say I love you because of you I am capable of taking care of me and taking care of my family as well. Because you have because of you I have food on my table. Because of you I have clothes. Because of you I have completed my graduation, or you can say I have completed my studies. Because of you I have learned how to read, how to write, and how to speak. Because of you, because you have provided, and you have provided a lot of opportunities to me into my life, and that matters to me. I really really love you. You have to be say these kind of phrases, and the phrases can be different. It could be according to you what you think about money, how you are just going to be describe it into your life, what kind of reasons into your mind that you think that you are just going to be say sorry, you are just going to be say please forgive me, and now you think that I have to be say thank you so much because money already have forgiven me. And now spread love. Say I love you for all the help that money has done to you so far. You have to be say I love you. You have to be spread love. And it's a crucial thing. So that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.